So I have been waiting for this day for literally weeks. Today I'm going to cut my hair. We are going to be doing the butterfly cut. I don't know if Brad Mondo invented it or if he just made it famous and popular and well known. But that's the cut that we're doing today. I have mentioned previously that my hair has gotten very long now. I don't really have very many layers. So when I style it wavy, even when I wear it straight, it looks very flat, very, I don't know, boring or one length, very lifeless. So I really do think that I need more layers in my hair now. And also these days that it's been sunny, I have noticed when I've been out in the sun how many split ends I have in my hair right now, which is embarrassing. I hate split ends. There's so many. So I'm gonna try and cut off a good amount of hair today, because I think the mistake that I've been making recently when I've been cutting my hair using these DIY at-home tutorials is that I am not cutting off enough length to be able to appreciate the layers. So we're gonna go a bit crazy today. First thing I'm gonna try and do though is sharpen the blade of my scissors. I don't know if this is something that you should do, if it's doable, if I'm gonna do it right, but I'm gonna try because blunt scissors are gonna cause more split ends, which is what I don't want. So with that being said, my hair is freshly washed and conditioned. Let's get into cutting my hair. So first of all, I'm attempting to sharpen the blade of my scissors because if I cut my hair with blunt scissors, that's going to cause more split ends, which I really don't want. So yeah, I'm just trying to sharpen them. I imagine there's a technique to do this the right way. I don't know if I'm doing it properly. I think my scissors felt sharper than what they were, so fingers crossed. I'm then detangling my hair thoroughly, and then I am taking my, is this called a tail tooth comb? I can't remember. I'm taking my comb and I'm parting my hair from about the highest point of my head to about behind my ears. I'm doing that on both sides, and then I'm brushing all that forwards, making sure that it's really, really flat against my head, that there's no bumps, that all the hair is going in the right direction, and I am tying that between about my eyebrows, more or less. Then the hair at the back, we are going to brush this all the way up to the highest point of my head. So again, I am really making sure that this is smoothed down, that everything's flat, there's no bumps. Although this section of my hair was a bit more tricky to do, so I may not have brushed it flat to my head as thoroughly as I could have done, but we're just going with it anyway. With this haircut, we're gonna kind of brush our hair down in the direction that it's going now that it's tied. So kind of like going diagonally down, really. And I want to cut off a decent amount. One, because I have a lot of split ends right now, and two, because to really be able to appreciate the difference that these haircuts cause and to appreciate the layers, we need to cut off a good amount. So Brad Mondo said 2 fingers is roughly about an inch. So as I've brushed my hair down, I'm pinching it between 2 fingers, and then I'm kind of roughly measuring 3 inches using my fingers, and I'm cutting it there. I'm then brushing it again and trimming just to make sure it's even, that it's in a straight line. At this point, you can also point cut if you want your layers to kind of blend together more, but I never really bother doing this in my hair. And then with the back section, you're gonna want to cut off about the same amount. So I brushed this out, and this part was a little bit wonky. I had some pieces shorter than the rest of my hair, so I did measure 3 inches from the longest piece of my hair, but I am wondering if I maybe should have measured starting at the kind of shortest point of my hair. Not too sure about that, so I don't know. But anyway, I just measured off about 3 inches and cut. And then at this point, I felt like the amount that I cut off the front looked much longer. Again, this is because I measured the back section from the longest piece of my hair, so that's why it looked less. But I decided to cut off about another half an inch and then even that out. And then we're going to take our hair down down and kind of see if the front layers blend into the back. This section, I don't know, I was kind of brushing my hair. I couldn't really see where I would need to cut if I needed to. So I just kind of tried to tidy it up a little bit off camera, but I didn't record this because I wasn't really sure what I was doing, wasn't sure if I was doing it properly, and I could only do it successfully on one side of my hair, so the other side I wasn't able to kind of tidy up. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave it as it is now. My hair is kind of drying. Even though I felt like I cut off a lot, I still have plenty of length. I can see that I've got more layers in my hair, which is nice. I'm gonna show you the back. I haven't seen the back yet. Now this isn't 100% dry yet. I haven't styled it. I did want to style it wavy, but I'm kind of in the process of moving, so my hair products are in my new place. So I can't really do my hair wavy. I guess I can straighten it or kind of give myself a bit of a blow dry. I can already see that my hair looks like it's got a bit more depth and dimension to it. It doesn't look as kind of flat. There's more shape here at the ends, which I like. The shortest layer I think is about here. Well, the face framing pieces are the shortest. But yeah, the layers aren't as drastic as what I imagined them to be, which I'm kind of happy about because I didn't want the ends of my hair to look too thin. But I do think maybe I could have took off a tiny bit more on the back section, maybe about an inch more perhaps. But for now, I'm gonna leave it like this, and I'll see what this hairstyle is like as I wear it, typically how I usually wear it, straight, wavy, when I curl it, and see if I like it. And if I do, I may do this haircut again the next time I cut my hair, because right now, even though I haven't styled it, I'm liking it. And so I'm not super good at blow drying my hair. I don't know how to get blow drying results. So this is a hack that I saw on TikTok where you blow dry all your hair forwards section by section, and then in theory should take this down and our hair is going to look very voluminous and blow dried. So I decided to just do my hair like this today, just to get an idea how the haircut's looking. I can already feel that my hair feels so much healthier here on the ends and so much thicker. Okay, I think my hair looks amazing. It definitely looks much thicker, which is bizarre. Despite losing hair, it almost looks like I've gained hair. I feel like I have extensions in. My hair feels so thick right now. I'm really obsessed with these results. I cannot wait to see it wavy. I don't know if I will include that in this video or if you will be seeing that in future videos. It depends really if I find the time, but first verdict, I'm obsessed. And if I knew how to blow dry my hair correctly and do like all the flipping in different directions, this would look even more amazing. Let me know if you have tried this haircut. Here is some more content from me that I think you might enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye!